Hello, Nomad Sculpt, and this is a just for fun video, shock absorber. I record this video with version 1.79, but it should work with 1.78 also. So here, this is such a shock absorber. So, boing, boing, boing. Okay, and yeah, let's start with a new scene. So I'm working at the moment in the front view and we needed the tube tool. Sorry. So I use the pass option here. So let's start at the bottom because the start position is also the anchor point of the tube, and try to create a straight tube like this. So I turn the wireframe on, and here in the primitive settings you can change the Y division, so we only need one for the Y division. And when you activate the gizmo here, then you can change the length of the tube. So we start with something like this, and now you can use here in the scene menu the clone option, and so I activate the outline option. So now we can scale the next tube a little bit, and we can clone again, bring it in this position, and I think I turn off the post-processing. So I don't know what the shadow is. So the next thing is here we clone this one, and scale it a little bit and adjust the length and clone it again. Okay, now I select such a ring again and clone it and create such a end cap. So, and the last part we need is a spiral. So let's clone this one, bring it here in position, and change back to the tube path. So now you can adjust the length a little bit and don't use the gizmo. So here in the tube settings you find here the spiral option. Activate the checkbox, and the next important step is here in the topology. So use this function here, that the Y division is bound to the division X. So now you can change the twist angle and the and the scale of the tube. So you see here, I think we got a scaling in the gizmo here. There's a translation, I think. It's better to create a new tube, but let's work with this. So here in the settings here, you can change the twist angle. Till you have a nice spiral. So we can create more divisions. Something like this. We can color it. So with a select option here, you can select these parts and join it. And when you activate the gizmo, here's a pivot option. So you can adjust the pivot to this position here and turn it off. And now you can, you can stretch the spiral or like this, boing, boing, boing. That's it. Have fun with sculpting. Ciao.